Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Kia Soul. This 4-door, 5-passenger hatchback is waiting for you to take home.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, lane departure warning, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.